Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Petal for credit cards with no fees step by step clearly. Visit the official Petal website. Click on the option to apply for a credit card. Fill in your personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Provide your income details to help determine your creditworthiness. Review the terms and conditions before proceeding. Submit your application and wait for a response. Once approved, you will receive your Petal credit card by mail. Activate your card by following the instructions included with it. Download the Petal mobile app from your app store. Log into your account using the credentials you set up during application. Explore the app to familiarize yourself with its features. Add funds to your credit card account to start using it. Use your Petal card for purchases, ensuring you track your spending within the app. Take advantage of automatic payment options to avoid late fees. Monitor your transactions and rewards directly in the app. Set alerts for due dates to help manage your payments. Enjoy the benefits of no fees with your Petal credit card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.